Hello there, my name's Dane Lemaitre. Welcome to the video, and this is a review on another item I got in the Thomas Hornby range that's now discontinued. So welcome to the video, and in this video I'll be looking at James's Express coaches in the Thomas Hornby range. These have now sadly been discontinued. Hornby no longer makes Thomas ones, which I think's a shame because there were some really good ones I thought they made. However, you can still get trains that run on the same track, same scale, Bachmann, although they're HO scale, not 00. But yeah, no, I think that the Bachmann ones and the Hornby ones, for different reasons, are really good. And a lot of the ones that they create now in the Bachmann range are more like the characters that are in the CGI animated series, the show, rather than the model series. So the show used to be made using models, it's now CGI animated. And I got these coaches here just before Christmas from a shop in Wellingborough called Wellingborough Trains and Models. I always have a look in there whenever I go that way in town. You know, I think there's some really nice bargains in there and things from time to time. I wouldn't say I buy as much model railway stuff as I used to. I haven't got a model railway of my own yet. I'm planning on moving house in a few years' time, and just don't see the point of building it now to then have to take it down to build my next house. Obviously I don't know the size of the place that I'm going to move to, so you know that's all important, I think, to consider. However, obviously I do have my little circuit that I can test them on. I've also got use of the one at the Wellingborough Museum, as you can see here. I've actually got 4 of these coaches. I've got 3 of the composite ones. This one, I've got there's a brake coach as well. The brake coach obviously having the brake pump for the guard, as you can see in the shot here.
Yeah. And the cake.
So now actually moving on to the coaches. I think the coaches look really nice indeed, red and white. These remind me more of the coaches in the early television series. They first appeared in the second series, these coaches, and they've appeared since then. However, they're more of a red and a cream colour, I'd say. They're also now in the CGI animated series of the show. The other type of express coaches you can get in this range, or opposite discontinued now, but what you could get was Gordon's, as you can see in this photo here. They're green and cream, and so Gordon pulls them most of the time, so I suppose that's why they're called Gordon's express coaches in the Hornby range. Like I said, these ones were called James's. I suppose it was mainly due to the fact that James pulled them a lot. However, other engines have seen pulling them as well, not just James. So yeah, I think these coaches are really nice. If I had to give them a score, I think again I'd give them a 10 out of 10 because I think they're really nice. The detail is absolutely superb on them. The windows on the other side are a little bit smaller, you can see here. But yeah, absolutely fantastic detail. Thank you very much for watching. Happy New Year's, the first video I've actually done this year. So this year. But yes, thank you very much for watching and goodbye.